guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Tresha for those that are new. Today I wanted to share a coffee table flip that I recently did in case you're looking for some ideas on how you can upcycle one you may have or thinking about buying. One of the things I wanted to start doing is going to the discount stores and purchasing items for very little and flip them in hopes of selling them. So I went to my local thrift store and I found this coffee table and it was only $5. Like, score! So the structure was really nice, so I decided to go ahead and buy it. I had a couple ideas I was debating on doing with this table, but in the end I decided to do this. First, I cleaned the entire piece with TSP cleaner. It is important to make sure you do this part and make sure that the piece that you just purchased is cleaned thoroughly. You don't know whether there's what dirt is on there, like sticky residue, things of that nature. Just make sure you clean it thoroughly. You can even use vinegar and water. Not only did I find a coffee table for $5, I received this all-in-one paint from Beyond Paint in the mail. I wanted to take a moment to say thank you so much to Beyond Paint for sending me this paint. I was so excited to try it out because it required no sanding or priming. I know a lot of other people are like me that would love to cut out that part of the process as well. So this paint bonds, primes, and seals in one step. If you go to their website, it will tell you how much paint you need for your project. Honestly, guys, this paint will last you a very long time if you are doing furniture flips. I also received a paint kit, which was really nice. It had everything I needed: a paint roller, brush, tray, and instructions. If you are interested in finding out where you can get this paint, I will leave the link in the description box below. After I finished cleaning the table, I removed all 4 legs using a hex key. This way I will be able to quickly paint the legs and tabletop. Next, I poured some of the paint into the tray. You don't need a lot, it's pretty thick. I made sure to coat the entire brush first, then just paint the legs. I did the first 3 sides of each leg first, and then I let it dry, and then another coat after that, and then I flipped it over and painted the other side and repeated the same process. Next, I applied a silver metallic paint on top. I thought it would give it a little bit of contrast. After I brushed it on, I waited a couple hours for it to dry. I stenciled the top with a Greek key stencil cutout. I made sure to let each section dry before I moved on to the next one. If you find that there are some areas that didn't come out right, just take a tiny angled brush and clean it up by using the silver paint. After I stenciled, I also painted the edges of the tabletop with the paintbrush. I let everything dry overnight and then I screwed the legs back on. So, do you remember what the coffee table looked like before? Now look at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.